registered in group to have one representative, have collect all the ID cards and keep it with you and come to the desk and collect all of your fellow participant certificates. Thanks guys. We'll announce the location of certificate distribution in another 20 minutes of time. Thank you.
అరే మళ్ళీ మూసేస్తారు బయటికి వెళ్ళి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
I request all the INFISEC volunteer to assemble inside the green room. Thank you.
ఏదో గిన్నెస్ వరల్డ్ రికార్డ్స్ అన్నాడు.